fix Windows cannot access specified device path or file, you may not have appropriate permissions. So that error message, Windows cannot access the specified device path or file, you may not have appropriate permission, usually means Windows is blocking access due to permission, security settings, or file corruption. So here are different ways for you to fix this. First is to check file permission. So right click on the file or the shortcut, and then from here, select Properties. And then head over into the Security tab. And then on the Security tab, go ahead and ensure your user account has full control. If not, click Edit and then select Grant Permission and then select Apply. Another thing you can do is to unblock the file. So sometimes downloaded files are blocked by Windows. So right click on the file and then select Properties. So right click on the file, select Properties, and then from here head over into the General tab, and then from here look for Unblock and click on Unblock, and then click on this Apply button. And lastly is to run as administrator. So right click the file and then select Run as Administrator. This bypasses restrictions if your account has admin rights, and that is how you can basically fix Windows cannot access specified device path or file, you may not have appropriate permissions.